Good evening! Naimbag nga rabi. Tonight on Learn Ilocano, let's learn how to say the days of the week. Let's start. Monday, Lunes, Lunes, Lu-nes, Nes, Lunes, Monday. Tuesday, Martes, Martes, Mar-tes, Martes. Wednesday, Miércoles, Mier-co-les, Mi-yer-co-les, Miércoles, Wednesday. Thursday, Jueves, Jueves, Hu-we-bes, Jueves. Friday, Viernes, 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 Friday. Saturday, Sabado, Sabado, Sa-ba-do, Sabado. And last, Sunday, Domingo, Domingo, Do-ming-go, Domingo, Sunday. So, that's the days of the week in Ilocano. Let's have a review. We have Monday, Lunes, Lunes, and Tuesday, Martes, Martes, Wednesday, Miércoles, and Thursday, Jueves, Jueves, Friday, Viernes, Saturday, Sabado, and last, Sunday, Domingo, Domingo. Until next time, good night, bye!